Today, we will improve our momentum strategy by using our best trading view indicator. We will focus on top-down analysis from weekly to hourly and hourly to minute-based charts. We will discover every detail of day trading and scalping. If you are good to go, let's do this. Today, I want to talk about Solana, one of my most favorite coins to invest and trade sometimes. We will be looking at the recent price action and possible trade chances. We will improve our trading skills starting from the weekly charts and do a full top-down analysis. When you look at the Solana in the weekly chart, you can see that we were in this massive rally recently. Price moved from $120 to almost $250 in a matter of weeks. You will notice that prices were taking previous highs recently, weekly highs. This is the power of buyers. Buyers kept pushing the price and rallied to almost all-time highs again. Now, let's talk about the momentum chart a bit. In the momentum chart, we'll be using our best indicator called ICT High Time Frame Candles. So, this indicator shows me that there was this massive rally recently, and now the price was pulling back into these imbalance zones. 30 minutes, you cannot see now, but it is there. 45 minutes, 1 hour, and 2 hours. A massive area to look for entries. Okay, now I want to talk about the lower time frames. This is the same chart, but much lower time frames to seek an entry. This yellow point area is where the 4 higher time frame imbalances are located. Right at the top, I can instantly notice these lovely equal highs. Now we have a combination of the previous week high and the equal highs together. Much more reason to go up. Right around our entry imbalances, as you can see, structure breaks and creates our entry imbalance. And it gives you this magnificent almost 4-hour setup. But not so fast. How and when you know that we will hunt the previous week high? Can you see the future? I do not think so. Do not build fantasy setups. Be compact, in and out with 2-hour or below setups. This will be much better to control and work on. Then you can leave some trades as your runner if you wish. You need to create a win-win situation. Now, here is the big problem. When we have a high time frame bias like weekly highs, that gives us a bias to move towards, a direction to take trades. Bias is for bias. Bias is not for trading. So what you do is take compact trades with your bias. Do not build big fantasy setups. And if you struggle, keep using the MASTERCLASS order management techniques. Okay, friends, what a beautiful days we live in. All coins rallying. Like I said earlier in the 2024, this was my bull year. And 2025 will be better than I think so. Now just relax and enjoy the ride. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you have improved your trading skills and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will also learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. You will discover the yo-yo strategy and the rally strategy with one free indicator. If you are interested, you can find the links on my website on the descriptions. Take care, my friends, manage your risks, and stay safe.